Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I am making this video to clarify you better on the kind of ebooks that can give you money faster, right? The kind of ebook that you can sell and make money faster. I've made a couple of videos on ebooks this year. You can check those videos out on my channel. Just come to the playlist section and then you will see a playlist on digital products, courses, and ebooks. Once you go through that playlist here, you are going to see the videos that I have made on this topic.
My job is to make college easier because students.
Now, these are the videos I've made on this particular topic here about ebooks here, ebooks business, how to make money from ebook, how to create digital products, right? How to become a millionaire this year selling ebooks. So after making those videos, some of you are still confused. I've been receiving questions from people who are confused on how to proceed, especially in creating and selling reports. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to give you a clear direction. I'm going to break it down for you, show you how to write the modules, how to select your topic, how to write the modules from module 1 to module 10, right? And how to package this knowledge and sell for profit. Okay. Now, all kind of ebooks we sell. That's the truth. All kind of ebooks will sell. All kind of ebook will sell. That's the truth, yeah? All kind of ebooks we sell. However, from my personal experience, like I share my personal experience here, I've come to realize that short reports sell faster because people need a blueprint. People need a guidance. People need something that you have experienced, that you have gone through, that would help them overcome a problem that they have. So that is why people spend money quickly when they see short reports that promises them a direct answer or a direct solution to their problem, not a very broad discussion on a particular topic, right? When you see topics like how to live a good life, how to be a respectful child, how to run business the right way, those are broad topics that are subject to further discussions, right? But there are topics that people just want the direct solution to their problems, and that's what we're going to look at in this topic. Okay, so now the major factors that will determine if your report will sell, they include the title of your reports, the funnel that you're going to be selling the report through, your sales funnel, right? The offer, because I mean, if you're not making an offer, you're not going to be making much sales. So your offer has to be something that would excite people, that would draw them close to you, that would make them dip hand in their pockets, give you their money so that they can have the solutions that you provide. All right. And of course, the price. I have always said that the pricing structure plays a great role in how you sell these reports, these ebooks. If your prices are above, if your prices are high, people are going to be skeptical and they are not going to buy at once, right? But when you have a fairly decent price, like I recommended, if your prices are beyond 3,500, you will struggle to sell to many people, right? I've done a lot of experiments and I've seen a lot of people who have sold short reports from the days of Aki Alabi, Toyin, Ronald. So many of us have sold reports, right? I've sold short reports in different price ranges, and I can tell you for a fact that when your prices are within the range of 3,000, 3,500, going backward to 2,000, 2,500, 1K, you are going, if you are selling a short report of 1,000 naira, you can make up to 50 sales in a day with adverts because it's 1,000. It's just 1,000. People have this problem, so they can 1,000, they pay it. They just pay it because it's 1,000, right? And in the day, you can spend 6,000 naira on ads, like 3 different ads, 2K on each of them, or 3K on 2 different ads. 6K, and you're getting up to 20 people to give you 1,000. That's 20, 25K, those kind of profits every day. So the money looks small, but when it's accumulated, you see how large it is, right? That's why pricing plays a great role. So please, I will ask you to give this video a thumbs up. Like this video so that more people get to see it. And the more people see it, the more this video is going to go viral. The more the video is going to help more people also, right? So if you're interested in making money this year via reports, via ebooks, this is the video you need to watch, right? If you are new here and you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the bell icon so you'll be among the first to get notified whenever I publish videos. Now, guys, let's dive into why we are here. Now, the kind of topics that sell faster in Nigeria, I'm going to be honest with you, is sex, relationship, make money, beauty, health, and self care. Health, self care, wellness, health, self care, wellness, those kind of fitness stuff. Yes. And then private part care. In this part of the country, we are very particular. I don't know why, but most of us are very particular about the private part. You see people selling social enlargement cream and they sell people are selling the backside enlargement cream and they are making people are buying cars and building houses by selling enlargement creams and some all this internal tightener, all this tightener for down parts there for ladies. For guys, the enlargement, whatever, for frontal enlargement, the region, the massive, the rocket, the enlargement. People are selling those kind of products and they are making money. They're buying cars and building houses here in Nigeria. People are selling last long in bed products for sex and they are buying cars and building houses and traveling the world and making a lot of money. Why? Because people are buying. If people are not buying, those people who are selling it are not going to be selling it, right? Like the saying goes, sex sells. So when you hear topics like this, don't shy away from it. There is money here. This is where the money is. So the kind of topics that sell mostly in Nigeria and in African countries also include sex, relationship, make money online, make money. People need things that would either make them more money, save them time, give them security, makes them feel better and feel good. Stuff like that. Those are things that people spend money on. Okay, so people spend money on beauty, things that make them look good, look attractive, look desirable, ladies especially. Some guys are also spending money on pink lips and whatever, right? Then of course health. People want to live healthy. People want to have a good life, self-care, fitness, looking good, looking healthy, looking fit, looking smart and sharp. Private part care, very, very, very lucrative. And these are the top, not all, but these are some of the topics. Of course, business, this make money falls under business, accounting, tax, calculation, and stuff like that, right? Now let's get down to the example. Like I said, this video is direct to the point. Example, if you are writing a book on how to last long in bed for men. Now there are different topics for men. How to last long in bed, how to cure premature ejaculation, how to what's that? What are the topics? Give it to me. People who have low sperm count. How to solve the low sperm count problem, right? For ladies, how to tighten your VJ, the natural remedy. How to raise a falling, you understand? The natural remedy. How to your backside, the corridor, how to make it natural remedy. Stuff like that. These are the things that people are spending money buying creams for. If you tell them that you don't have to use creams because they have side effects, I'm going to show you a natural remedy that is going to help you achieve faster results in record time. These people, they're going to dump the cream, drop it, and buy your reports. That's the truth. So, for instance, if you have a topic for men that last long, your title could be how to last 45 minutes how to last at least 45 minutes every time you ta ta ta. I don't want to use some kind of word so that YouTube will not go and say, you understand? So you can tell them, yes, how to last at least 45 minutes every time you ta 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 ta. People are interested. And then the subtitle, that small one that would under the title will be henceforth or from today, any woman you ta 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 will always come back begging for more. Man, their head could just they roll. They want the women to be coming back. Once they see the title and the subtitle, there's this mental picture the mental image or picture that has been created already. Is this vision, this illusion, this bright picture that they have seen, and they now have different pictures in mind of this one will come back, this one will come back, this one go they beg me, I go to knock on, I go to give them. Do you understand? These are the issues. These are the things. These are the things that people are interested in. Honestly, it's crazy, yes, but it's the reality of life. Okay, I'm giving you an example now. How to select your title and how to select your subtitle. The title is the main topic, while the subtitle brings out more. It brings out more from the title and gives people more direct, what is they expect, more direct results. You are telling somebody that he's going to, henceforth, somebody that was lasting 2 minutes before, that he's going to be lasting 45 minutes at least. As if that's not enough. Okay? You are also telling the same person, that any woman wearing lash from today will always come back begging for more. Come on now. You have put a picture on his head. That picture will stay there until he pays for your report. He would like to see what you have in this report. And then we move to the modules of the report, right? Module 1, 2, 3. Module 1 can be why men don't last long in bed. You now give them reasons why men don't last long in bed: stress, anxiety, too much work, lack of sleep, uh, drinks, stuff like that, right? Lack of fitness. I don't know. You should know. If you don't know these topics, don't go and sell something you don't know. Make sure that you are creating a report on something you are very knowledgeable about. Okay, so module 2 could be things that causes things that cause which kind of spelling is this? Things that causes 2 minutes doings, right? Nobody wants to be a 2 minutes doing guy. Nobody wants to be a 2 minutes doings person. You can tell them things that causes 2 minutes doings. Now they will start seeing the kind of lifestyle that they are living that has been responsible for this 2 minutes stuff, right? Module 3 could be how to overcome 2 minutes doings. You now list the main thing. Module 4 could be fruits that help you stay fit and stronger for 45 minutes. You give them the list of fruits. For one, I know that watermelon works. Watermelon, yes, I know that one. It works, right? So you give them the list of fruits. That's not the end. You now tell them module 5 is herbs and roots. Herbs and roots that you can use and what they do for you. You now tell them, you don't list the herbs and the roots. You can even put pictures, right? Tell them what these herbs contain and what these herbs can do for you. This herbs contains vitamin this. Vitamin D helps you to that. This one contains this, that. It helps you to overcome this and to, you now tell them how to mix and boil the herbs. Mix this one, cut this one, grind this one and boil it for so minutes. Then this is how to take it. Take one cup in the morning. Make sure you take it with unripe plantain, or make sure you take it with this and that. Take one in the evening. Do this. Take it with fruit, or take it with this and that. Do you understand? Take it for 7 days, and always make sure you urinate, blah 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 blah. Whenever you jam woman, if you knock head ahead. Do you understand? Now, these are not, I'm just giving you an example of how to position your report. We started with the title, we came to the subtitle, now we're in the modules. After the modules, what do you do next? You get your short report ready because you have written the modules and everything. You create an offer. You can decide what the offer is. You can type on Google how to make an offer. You create an offer, all right? Then you create a funnel, a sales funnel that you are going to use to sell this report. You link your payment to the funnel and you start promotions. You promote, like I said, if you want to learn how to promote these stuff, it's in this. Okay, I will link the video up here, and I will put the video in the description below. But I will link it up here as you're watching now, so that you go and watch that video and learn how to promote your short report and make more money. You can also come to my channel here, come to this section, section of this playlist of ebooks, online course, and digital products, and watch these videos on ebooks and reports and short reports. You will see the videos I've made on ebooks and short reports. Okay, watch these videos and you're going to learn exactly how you can promote your short reports and how to make money selling short reports. These things are simple. You create a sales page, that is your funnel. You link your payment. For easier doings, you can use Seller. Seller makes it easier in Nigeria. Seller gives you a platform where you can host your ebook. They will help you collect the payment from any country. They will help you collect the payments. They will remit the money into your account. They will help you collect payments. You simply create your sales page on Seller, host your ebook there, run your adverts. People will click on your adverts, they will go to Seller, they will pay for it, and you are good to go. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask me your questions, right? I hope this gives you clarity and also helps you make the right decisions on how to proceed. That is, if you desire, if you wish to make money from writing and selling short reports online. Now, this can work in any country. It's not just about Nigeria or Ghana, or it can work from any part of the world, because problems abound in all parts of the world, and people are seeking for solutions, right? In my previous video, someone said that he has made money, I think 60 something thousand naira in that day or in that week from selling ebooks in South Africa, but he's living in Nigeria. He's in Nigeria, but he has sold ebooks to people in South Africa. That's what I'm talking about. Internet is blessed. It's universal. Internet has blessed us. Take advantage of this opportunity. Watch this video again and gain the right clarity and begin to take actions that are going to change your life. I wish you the very best. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask me your questions. Feel free to drop your recommendations. Feel free to drop your contributions also in the comment section below. I am here to attend to you and to guide you. Please make sure you like this video, drop your comment, and share this video also with those who will find it helpful. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and cheers.